Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. Today, I'll show you step by step how to install uTorrent on your Mac. Let's dive in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will all work fine. Type uTorrent.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, scroll down and click on the Free Download button under uTorrent Web. uTorrent Classic is not compatible with Mac OS, so you'll need to use uTorrent Web instead. Next, click on the Download Now button under the Basic tier. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder, find the uTorrentWeb.dmg file, and double-click it to open. A new window will appear showing the uTorrent app icon. Simply drag this icon into your Applications folder. This installs the software. Next, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Once done, open your Applications folder and double-click on uTorrent to start the application. When launching for the first time, macOS might display a security prompt. If this happens, click Open to confirm that you trust the application. The app should now launch in your web browser. Next, accept the terms and conditions. To add a torrent, click on Click to Add and select your torrent file, or simply drag and drop the file into the interface. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed uTorrent on your Mac. You can now start downloading torrents easily. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.